Hello friends, how are you all? In today's video, we are going to talk about a personality whose name you must have surely heard before. Yes, we are talking about Mia Khalifa, but friends, this video is not just about her fame or controversies. Rather, we'll explore how she entered this industry, what her life was like afterward, how much money she earned, and the difficulties she faced. And in the end, there's a big lesson too, so make sure you watch the video till the end. First of all, friends, let's look at her early life. Mia Khalifa's real name is Sarah Jo Chamoun. She was born in 1993 in Beirut, Lebanon. She spent her childhood there, but later her family moved to America. In the US, she lived like any ordinary student, but because of cultural differences, it was always difficult for her to adjust. Now the question arises, how did Mia Khalifa join the adult industry? In 2014, while working at a restaurant, an agent offered her this opportunity. At first, she thought it would just be a one-time try, but what happened next was surprising. Within just a few months, she became the world's #1 searched actress. Her videos went viral, and her name became famous all over the world. But friends, this fame turned into a burden for her. Just as quickly as she became popular, her problems also started to grow. After one particular video, she faced extreme criticism and hatred, especially from the Middle East. She even received death threats, her family relationships broke down, and she herself remained ashamed of her decision. And the most shocking fact, people assumed Mia Khalifa must have earned millions of dollars. But in reality, she made only about $12,000. Yes, just $12,000. And her videos are still available on the internet today. After a short time, she left the adult industry. Then she began to rebuild her life. She entered sports commentary, started streaming on Twitch, and built a large following on social media. In many interviews, she said she wishes her old videos could be deleted, but that's impossible. In other words, one decision became a permanent part of her life. Today, Mia Khalifa is a successful influencer and businesswoman. She earns thousands of dollars through social media, brand partnerships, and different platforms. But she often shares her story so that people can understand that the glamour of the adult industry is nothing but an illusion. So friends, Mia Khalifa's story teaches us that fame does not always bring happiness. One moment's decision can change your whole life. But if a person has courage, they can rebuild their life for the better. What lesson do you take from this story? Do share your thoughts in the comments. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.